In the diagram, force F produces a moment of 15 Newton meter. So now here moment is given to us. Moment is given to us as 15 Newton meters in clockwise direction. Okay. So find the
Yes, sir.
magnitude of F. Once again we have two options here. One is to go ahead and find perpendicular distance. This will be 12 into sine 30. So if you take perpendicular distance, directly take force F. So formula for M is force into perpendicular distance, that is 12 into sine 30. And we know the value of moment, so substitute here. So 15 equals F into 12 sine 30 is half, that is 0.5. So F will be, this will become 6, 15 by 6. So 3 2s are 3 5s of, that is 2.5 newtons. Okay.
Yes, sir.